Yeah, Ian, tell me what the pieces are. Show me the table saw.
This was a
Ian, show me your workbench.
what?
Show me. That's the table saw.
That's a table saw. Table saw is here
Nice.
by
And how do you make holes? What do you make holes with?
the drill press
The drill press, yeah?
and the wrench.
Wrench,
And the hammer
yeah,
and the screwdriver
yeah,
and the saw.
yeah.
Toddler saw like this.
Nice.
You know that this is what? Take the picture of this toy.
Yeah.
Take the
I'm not
picture.
sure what that does yet.
Take a picture for Grandma.
Yeah.
Take the picture of this. Turn it on. And take picture of this. Now it's all done. And the saw. Oops. And then top. Turn it on. I turn it off. Put it in this. It don't use it anymore.
And you made a birdhouse.
Then he made a birdhouse. Like these. Like I made a birdhouse.
Birdhouse. Wow. Nice workbench.
No,
That's
the
a nice
workbench.
workbench.
That's usage player.
Oh, so
And then
and this is for that too.
then this.
Still being assembled.
No, just trying to figure out the sticker. The sticker. Symbol,
Steve.
stickers.
To open this, it can open.
Oh, this is with the cranium?